This is how I plan to use my visualizer. Recording techniques for the pupils, so I can play it on the whiteboard, and then I can keep it for future, and just use the same one. It saves them coming around the table and low-level behaviour when you're around a demonstration, so it actually helps with that as well. Okay, so today we're looking at shading techniques. I'm going to show you 3 different techniques. You can have a go at all of them and then choose the one that you feel works best for you, and then apply it to a little example down here. Okay, so the first one, we're using a single line, just like this. If you repeat the line over and over, as you're moving across the page, what I'd like you to try and have a go at is getting lighter. So if you look down here, dark to light. If we take the pressure off the pencil, moving across the page, you can start to see we've got a gradual dark to light. Okay, next one, I'm looking at multi-directional shading, which we do exactly the same as we did before. In one direction, change the direction of the pencil and go over the top. It's also known as cross-hatching, which some of you might have heard of. Again, as I'm going across the page, I'm just taking the pressure off the pencil, so my pencil strokes are getting lighter and lighter. Okay? And the last one, we're looking at using small circles. Okay, so we're just going round and round and round, as small as you can get. The smaller the better, because then you won't see the circular shape when you've finished. Go back over the top, it helps to blend it in more gradually. And again, as I'm moving across the page, I'm taking the pressure off the pencil and getting lighter and lighter. This is what I'd like you to have a go at, and if you finish that, try applying it to an object. So if you're going to use a single line, I could have a look at trying to curve that line to get it into the shape of the circle. That will help to make the shape look more 3D. And as I'm going across the circle with my pencil, I'm getting lighter and lighter. Okay. If you want to try using a different one, you can try the multi-directional or the circular motion, whichever one you find you were more confident with, or is more beneficial for the drawing that you're doing at the time. Okay. As I get to the end, you can see much lighter. Then you can just go over with your single line to blend it in more gradually. And there you go.